Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to change the text color in your Notion template. So first thing you're going to do is type out some text, then you're going to want to highlight it. Once you highlight it, this little menu should pop up. If it doesn't, I'm going to show you another way, but you're going to go to the end, second to the last option. We hover over this and we can see the text color. We can also hit Control Shift H if we want to bring this up. Now you're going to see that we have these default colors. We can choose from these. Now, these are just the main text color. The background colors that are just at the bottom, this means that the background color, the highlighted color of the text is going to be chosen from here. So you can either just change the background or you can also just change the regular text. Now, the other way that you can do this is you can click on the little six dots, go down to color, and then this will also bring you to that menu. And that gives you the option to change your color. So there's a couple ways that you can do this. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.